Is this a mistake? Mikolo the Great, you picked up your phone and called me on video via Facebook. Rain go fall today. What's happening?
Which kind mistake? No be mistake, oh. You're my friend now. I decided to, call you on video to check on you. How is Nigeria treating you? My dear friend Victor Isibor. How Naija?
No, I'm just pleasantly surprised. Usually you don't reach out. You seldom reach out. So you calling me on video, I'm pleasantly surprised. And I also stay on my lane because majority of you guys, the moment you go to America, you start assuming that your friends in Nigeria, if they reach out to you, it's because they want to ask you for assistance. That's why I just stayed on my lane. But it's a good thing you called me now. So what's up?
Victor Isibor, not be so. No, I cannot think like that about you now. You are my brother. You're a very close person to me. You see, this abroad, this America, we put in several hours at work. Sometimes you even see us online, we are not there. So it's just busy. Yeah, I know some guys in Nigeria, they are nuisances. They constitute nuisance, asking you for money every time. But you don't belong to that WhatsApp group, my brother. Well, that aside, I am calling you because I'm coming over to Nigeria by next week. And I want you to pick me from the airport.
Wow, that's great news. Just give me prior notice. Give me the specific day, time, and I'll be at the airport waiting to pick you up, okay? There's no problem.
Yes, I'm informing you ahead of time because I know it is a taxi that you will call so that you and the driver will have proper arrangements. The taxi driver that you're going to bring to the airport to pick me. And don't worry about the bill. I'll personally pay the taxi driver myself. Don't worry, I don't want to stress you.
Taxi driver, you pay the bills. I don't understand. Okay, no problem now, no problem. Till then.
Victor Isibor, no vex. So our arrangement was that you will come and pick me in a cab and I'll pay the taxi driver. But I mean, you came in this fancy car to pick me from the airport. Don't be angry. Who owns this car?
See, jump question. Who owns this car? Well, this is one of my cars, actually.
Wait, this is not even the only car that you managed to have. It is one of your cars. This one shocked me. Please, when we get to the hotel, we will discuss better. Because I don't understand what is going on here.
So, Mikolo the Great, my man, make yourself comfortable, feel at home, So let me go and freshen up, change up, so that I'll take you to the restaurant so that you can go and eat and enjoy yourself. Meanwhile, help yourself to the bathroom, have a good shower, settle in. Give me like 20 minutes, I'll be back. Ma carry you go restaurant, go chop.
Wait, calm down, Victor. Victor Isibor, you are rushing. See, this hotel that you brought me to is too expensive. Please, I did not come all the way from America to come and waste all my money. Why do you bring me to this kind of hotel now? Say I should be freshening up. Please, take me to another hotel that is more affordable. Please.
Mikolo the Great Hotel? This is not a hotel, oh. This is my country home.
Jesus is Lord!
Okay, the name of the hotel is My Country Home. It does not matter the name. Take me to a lower hotel, a more affordable one, please.
Will you keep quiet?
I don't understand you, Mikolo the Great. This is my house, my house. We call it country home. If you build a house in your hometown, it's your country home. Like, this is my house.
He shot you!
Mikolo the Great, come off it, I beg, Just freshen up. I'll be back so that I'll take you to the restaurant. I don't have food in the house and there's nobody to make it, I'll take you to the restaurant so that you can eat whatever you want to eat, okay?
Victor, Isibor, me, I don't understand again. Oh. See the kind of expensive restaurant you brought me to. But I used to think that Nigeria was, backward. Back then when we left Nigeria for greener pastures. But look at everywhere has changed. Eh? Victor, Isibor, what is going on?
Mr. Victor Isibor, is there anything else you want? And I hope you enjoyed your meal. And your friend also. I hope you guys had fun and you enjoyed the meal.
Oh, sure, as usual. You guys' food is always top notch. I enjoyed it as usual. Thank you so very much, Veronica. Thank you. So, what's my bill?
Okay, the bill is just 200,000 naira and you can come pay over the counter, okay? Thank you so much, sir.
Victor, me, I don't understand though. This girl just gave you a bill of 200,000 naira. That's like $200. For what? This food that we just ate, this little food, I'm still even hungry, sef. I don't understand. And she said you're a regular customer, so you come here regularly to spend this kind of money on this kind of food? Me, I don't understand though. And you see some of my friends that I left behind are still living as big as you are living like this. Omo, once we get to the hotel, sorry, your house, you will tell me what's going on. Some of us left Nigeria thinking that there's no opportunity. You are even spending more dollars than me that came from America. Yesterday you went to Bureau de Change, you changed over $5,000 to naira. Please, let's go home so that you tell me what's going on. I don't understand. Victor Isibor, you are shocking me. Oh. But you see, the way you act on social media, you don't act like you have anything. Oh. Let me tell you the secret. A lot of Nigerians in America are struggling. Okay, look at me now. 11 years I've been over there. I have not been able to build a house. But look at you. You never left Nigeria. You are doing so well. You have also linked me up with some of our old friends. Look at them. They are all doing well. You are the ones spending money for me. And the rate at which you guys are spending, they don't born anybody well in America to spend like that. We all left Nigeria thinking that the grass is greener over there. We never knew that it was possible to make money here, apart from maybe politics or yahoo. I never imagined that a legit person can be living such a good life here in Nigeria. The perception of, Nigerians in diaspora is that Nigeria is a total write-off. And even many Nigerians at home are always living, checking out every time. Everybody is just leaving Nigeria. So, Vico, what is the secret? What really gave you the courage to stay back and make it here? Tell me the secret now. I be your guy. You open up to me, because the hustle in America is a very big hustle. We don't have social lives at all. Everything is work. And when you make the money, everything goes out in form of bills. You hardly have enough to save or send back home. Please, Vico, tell me the secret now. What's going on?
Well, a lot of you guys left Nigeria because you felt that, there were too many problems in Nigeria. But what you guys don't know is that in the abundance of problems exists also the abundance of business opportunities and money-making opportunities. Entrepreneurs and business people are problem solvers. So I will tell you, there are more business opportunities in Nigeria than in America. Because in America, of course, you guys have fewer problems. That means fewer opportunities to make money by entrepreneurs. Okay? Money is what you get in exchange for solving a problem. Nobody is going to put their hands in their pocket and give you money for nothing. You must be doing something for them. You must be solving a problem for them. So these problems in Nigeria, instead of us running away, like you guys, we stayed back, we are solving them, and we are making money. You know Sonny now, Sonny, the generator repairer.
Yes, now, Sonny that we went to secondary school together. The guy is in Minnesota now. He works as a sales boy in Walmart. Yes, na sales boy for Minnesota now.
I'm glad you know Sonny. Do you know that Sonny was one of the biggest generator repairers in Nigeria? Yes, okay, look at the problem of epileptic power supply in Nigeria. There's no good enough electricity. Light is always off and on. Okay, that is how come generator repairers thrive. Because Nigerians will now go and buy generator to generate light for themselves. So when the generator needs servicing or repair, the generator repairer comes in. Now, Sonny, after building a big business empire in terms of repairs of generator, he even had several boys he was training. He abandoned all that, relocated to America in pursuit of a greener pasture to go and become a sales boy at Walmart. Now, there's no generator for him to repair in America because the problem of light is not in America. They have good electricity. So you see, the problem of electricity in Nigeria was actually a cash out opportunity for him. But you see, he threw it away, went to a country where they have 24 hours light, and his skill became useless. Now he is a sales boy. So it's about looking for a way to leverage on the existing problems in a country and making money from it. Insecurity in Nigeria. Instead of running away, somebody stayed back, created a security outfit. He is helping to solve the problem, and at the same time, he is making a lot of money from it. Win-win. Poor educational standard in Nigeria. Instead of running away, somebody stayed back, created a private institution, a school of a very high standard. The person is solving the problem, creating jobs, and is also making a lot of money for himself. And that America, where you people are doing several hours on a daily basis, there are tech bros, crypto traders, and network marketers in Nigeria making more US dollars than many of you guys who live physically in America. Let me shock you. That $5,000 that I went to change at the Bureau de Change yesterday, I have exhausted it.
Jay, I don't even make up to that in a month in America. What?
My brother, Nigeria is not as bad as a lot of people paint it to be. What you guys don't know is that Americans didn't develop their country by leaving their country. That their country that you people are going to, that UK that you people are going to, their citizens stayed put and they developed their country, and that is why it is attractive for a lot of you people. Okay, the development and stability in America and those other countries are as a result of an influx of foreigners who abandoned their own countries. You guys are going to contribute to the economies of those countries. You guys are the secret behind the success of those countries, because you decided to abandon your own country. Then you take your intelligence, your know-how to go and contribute to the economies of all those established countries. Yet you stay back and say your country is underdeveloped. Who will develop it? The question is, who will develop it? Anybody that is good at what they do, be it medical doctor, be it engineer or lawyer, the next thing is, I'm very good at what I do, I'm not supposed to be in this country. So you guys are saying nothing good should be in this country. Then you take that good thing in you, you take it to a foreign country. Then you open your mouth and say, your country is not developing. We cannot continue to blame only the politicians. Yes, I know that they are misbehaving, but they are not the only ones to be blamed. Let us look inwards. We, as Nigerians, let us look at ourselves. In your own little way, how are you contributing your quota to the development of your country? You have been in America for the past 11 years. You have not opened one business that is employing anybody in Nigeria. You did not come home and say, you know what, I want to open a palm oil processing plant. You have siblings that could help you to run it. That would have created jobs for one or two persons. You are not contributing anything to the economy of Nigeria. The only contribution you make is to open your mouth and badmouth the country and complain and nag. Now, when we talk about poor health care in Nigeria, it is as a result of a medical brain drain. All our best hands have left. They are all leaving. Now, if your loved one dies in a Nigerian hospital as a result of negligence, that person's blood is not only on government, it is also on the heads of all those unpatriotic medical personnel who decided to abandon their own country for greener pastures abroad. Yes, everybody will take a share of the blame. You cannot always blame the government alone. Wait, if as you guys left, I also decided to leave, and everybody decides to leave, what becomes of this great nation? Africa is a continent without natural disasters. We are blessed. Nigeria is a country blessed with vast human and natural resources that many other countries don't have. My brother, there's no place like home. In another man's land, no matter what you achieve, you would always be a second-class citizen. I'm not against living abroad, but don't forget to come back to invest at home and contribute your own quota towards the development of your own country. Look at you, you don't even have a plot of land in Nigeria. You are not even contributing to community development, not to talk of nation building. Now tell me, how are you any different from all those politicians that you always like to criticize? You are a citizen. You are not contributing your own quota. Neither are they contributing their own quota. Your only contribution towards nation building is to pack your bags and run away. I mean, we can do better.
Victor Isibor, your words really touched me. Oh, your words touched me. Your doings touched me. The kind of lifestyle that you live has really touched me. I have learned crucial lessons. You don't need to travel to America to earn in US dollars. There are ways to earn US dollars here in your own country. When there's abundance of problems, entrepreneurs see opportunities to make money. Why people like me, short-sighted people, mediocre, our own is to run away? If everybody leaves, who will develop the country? Being unpatriotic and running away, we are not any better than the politicians ruining the country. I'll start considering relocating back home. Thank you, Victor Isibor. God bless you.